email remains one of the most important channels for revenue, retention, and customer communication. At the same time, many teams feel stretched trying to plan campaigns, segment lists, write copy, test variations, and analyze results. In this video, we are going to walk through how AI is actually used in email marketing today, what tasks it can automate, which tools are commonly used, and how teams can adopt these capabilities in a practical, controlled way. This is not about chasing trends. It is about understanding how modern email systems work and how to apply them responsibly inside real marketing programs. To begin, let us define what AI does for email marketing today. At a basic level, AI in email marketing analyzes customer data and uses patterns in that data to support better decisions. These decisions include who should receive an email, when it should be sent, and which content elements are most relevant. Instead of relying only on static rules or manual guesses, systems learn from historical behavior such as opens, clicks, purchases, browsing activity, and engagement over time. Modern email platforms combine several capabilities. These often include content assistance, send time optimization, and personalization at scale. In practice, an email system can evaluate thousands of signals and determine which segment a subscriber belongs to and which version of a message they are most likely to engage with. This does not remove the need for marketers. It shifts effort away from repetitive configuration and towards strategy, offers, and creative direction. At AI Smart Venture's email automation work usually follows a clear structure. The first phase is discovery, where the current email program is mapped in detail. This includes identifying which platforms are in use, what automations already exist, and where bottlenecks appear. Common friction points include writing copy, building segments, running tests, and interpreting performance reports. Teams also define what success should look like in the next 90 days, so priorities are clear. The second phase is tool selection. Different businesses require different email platforms depending on their motion and data. E-commerce teams often rely on platforms that integrate deeply with product and purchase data. B2B and Lifecycle teams often need stronger automation builders and CRM alignment. Smaller teams may prioritize ease of use and pricing over advanced features. The goal is not to choose the most complex system, but the one that fits current needs and data maturity. The third phase is implementation and training. Once tools are selected, teams design journey maps that show how subscribers move from lead to customer and beyond. Automations are built directly inside the platform, such as welcome sequences, abandoned cart flows, onboarding, and reactivation campaigns. AI-driven features like predictive segments or send time optimization are configured carefully, and teams are trained on how to review outputs, apply quality checks, and read performance data. So what kinds of email tasks can be automated today? Many of the most time-consuming tasks can be supported by AI-driven systems. These include segmentation and targeting, send time optimization, personalized recommendations, lead scoring, and lifecycle sequences. Subject line and copy generation can also be assisted, especially for testing multiple variants. Consider personalization in e-commerce. Email platforms can recommend products based on browsing and purchase history. Instead of manually selecting items, the system inserts dynamic blocks that change per subscriber. This allows campaigns to scale without losing relevance. For B2B teams, behavior-based scoring can adjust content automatically. Leads showing higher intent can receive stronger calls to action, while others continue to receive educational material. Triggered sequences also benefit from learning systems. Welcome series can test multiple subject lines and adjust over time. Cart recovery messages can adapt timing and content based on previous behavior. Win-back campaigns can trigger when engagement declines, rather than waiting for a fixed schedule. These adjustments happen continuously in the background, while marketers retain control over structure and messaging. Another area where teams see value is copy generation for testing. Instead of writing every variant manually, marketers can generate multiple options and then evaluate performance. This makes it realistic to run ongoing experiments without adding workload. The key is review and approval. AI assists with drafts, but humans decide what is acceptable and aligned with brand standards. When evaluating tools for email automation, it helps to group them by use case. E-commerce-focused platforms emphasize product data, purchase history, and transactional flows. Lifecycle and B2B platforms focus on automation logic, scoring, and CRM integration. Simpler tools emphasize ease of use and core automations. There are also tools designed specifically for outbound email that prioritize deliverability and volume. Choosing the right platform starts with clarity about your business model. Are you selling primarily through an online store? Are you nurturing leads over time before a sales conversation? Are you a local or service-based business focused on newsletters and promotions? Or are you running outbound prospecting at scale? Each motion benefits from different capabilities. The next decision is automation complexity. If you only need a welcome series and occasional promotions, a simple platform may be sufficient. If you want branching journeys, scoring, dynamic content, and coordination across channels, you need a system with a strong automation builder. Integration also matters. Platforms must connect to your CRM, e-commerce system, or data sources so decisions are based on real behavior. Budget is another important factor. Many teams overbuy features they never use. It is better to start with what you realistically plan to run in the next 6 to 12 months and expand later. Adoption and consistency matter more than feature depth. What results can teams expect from adopting AI-supported email automation? Many organizations report higher engagement from improved timing and relevance. Lifecycle sequences often drive more revenue per subscriber than one-off campaigns. List health can improve when systems suppress unengaged contacts and protect sender reputation. Just as important are time savings. Teams move from building everything manually to reviewing and refining automated systems. There are also challenges to be aware of. Data quality is critical. If tracking is incomplete or records are inconsistent, results will be limited. Teams also need governance. Prompt usage, content review, and brand guidelines must be clear so outputs remain consistent. These challenges are manageable with proper setup and training. Getting started does not require rebuilding everything. A practical approach begins with auditing your current email program. Document platforms, campaign types, and friction points. Then choose one high-impact automation, such as a welcome series or cart recovery flow. Configure available AI features, define success metrics, and treat the launch as a learning process. Monitor results regularly, remove underperforming variants, and expand gradually. Over time, systems become more effective as they learn from more data. When needed, expert support can help with strategy, platform selection, journey design, training, and ongoing optimization. To close, AI in email marketing is best understood as system support, not automation for its own sake. When applied thoughtfully, it reduces repetitive work, improves relevance, and gives teams more time to focus on strategy and creative direction. The organizations that succeed are the ones that adopt deliberately, measure carefully, and maintain human oversight throughout.